93 fresh COVID-19 cases have been reported from Karnataka, 32 cases reported from Udupi, 15 cases reported from Yadgir, 16 cases from Kalburgi and 8 COVID-19 cases reported from Bengaluru. Number of cases in the state at 2,182, 44 deaths reported due to COVID-19 in Karnataka. Close to 15 hospital staff at a designated COVID hospital in Ballari were tested for COVID-19 after one of their colleagues tested positive. A staff nurse working at the COVID hospital has previously tested positive. The COVID test results of 8,133 people are awaited by the district administration in Vijaypura. The administration subjected close to 12,000 people for COVID testing. Of these, around 4,263 individuals have tested negative. Around 70 people have tested positive in the district till date. The COVID test results of 6,314 people are awaited by the district administration in Kalburgi. The administration subjected close to 22,000 people for COVID testing. Of these, around 16,446 individuals have tested negative. Around 157 people have tested positive in the district till date. The test results of the 14 primary contacts of patient number 869 are awaited by the Mandya district administration. All contacts are said to be from the same village of Maruvanahalli in KR-Pete Taluk. The test results are likely to be released today or on Wednesday. Patient number 869 had returned to Mandya from Mumbai by truck. The district health officer of Mandya issued a clarification on the erroneous travel history of patient number 1475 that was printed in the health bulletin. According to DHO Manche Gowda, due to technical error, the age and travel history of the infected individual had been wrongly printed in the health bulletin. Hassan district administration has sealed off 2 localities after COVID-19 cases were reported in the area. The Indiranagar and North Extension localities were sealed off after a woman had tested positive and a constable too had tested positive from these areas. Of the 93 COVID-19 cases reported on the 25th of May, 69 cases are reported among the people who had returned from Maharashtra. BJP State President Nalin Kumar Katil said that it is common that Kannadigas living in Maharashtra will be pressurized to be brought back home because of them. He added that it is their responsibility to answer the calls of Kannadigas in Maharashtra. In a surprising turn around, Dr. Nagaraj has been reappointed as Davangere's district surgeon. Nagaraj was appointed again after Health Department Under Secretary Shiv Shankar issued a directive in this regard. Dr. Nagaraj had previously been relieved from the post for reportedly failing to contain the spread of COVID-19 in Davangere. Davangere DC Mantesh Bilagi had issued the relieving order. A few individuals quarantined at a local hostel in Chitradurga have alleged discrimination in discharge norms by health officials. The quarantined residents have alleged that a few individuals were reportedly discharged within a week. They also allege that the said people used their contacts to influence their early release. The inmates of a quarantine center at Tekkalaki in Vijaypura have complained of erratic water supply. The individuals complained that in addition to the irregular water supply, basic amenities have also not been adequately provided by the authority. Ayush doctors in Bagalkot staged a protest in front of a hospital amid COVID-19 scare and demanded a pay rise. They also demanded security on behalf of 650 Ayush doctors in the state amid the attacks on Asha health workers. A few labourers who were quarantined after their return from Maharashtra were employed to spruce up a school that they had been quarantined in. The labourers had been quarantined at a school in Girisagar in Bagalkot. The labourers were employed under the Manrega scheme and were used to paint the school premises. The workers were also paid wages for their work. Loom equipment and several saris were ruined after strong gusts of wind blew away the roof tiles of a storage shed. The incident took place in Irakal in Bagalkot on Monday night. The shed belonged to a local weaver, Anand. Even after a constable who came to Bengaluru tested positive, the Hassan administration is making arrangements to send 80 cops to Bengaluru. The policemen allege that the KSRP is taking no precautions to make sure that the policemen do not contract the deadly virus when they visit containment zones. Preparations are in full swing to reopen the Jubilant factory in Nanjangud. The factory authorities have decided to use 50% of the workforce to resume operations. The medical checkup of all these factory workers have already begun. In Devanahalli, dairy farmers took the streets and protested against the Karnataka Milk Federation. This shows that the KMF has not purchased milk from these dairy farmers in Devanahalli after a pregnant woman tested positive for COVID-19 in Chikkakoratti. Isolated migrants at a quarantine center in Yadgir's Gurmitkal complained of various skin issues. This has only led to more panic among the inmates of the quarantine center. In Madkeri Somwarpet, stones were allegedly pelted at parked cars. Miscreants allegedly pelted stones at vehicles belonging to the Revenue Department. Police who visited the spot are investigating about the incident. Police have arrested 3 people in connection with bootlegging alcohol in Kodagu. The incident occurred in Garaganduru village near Somwarpet. The accused have been identified as Francis, Suresh and Lava. A seer was allegedly assaulted by a cop at a checkpoint in Kalburgi. The incident took place at the Arjunagi checkpost on Monday. The seer, identified as Shivanand Shivacharya Shri, was reportedly assaulted by the constable for visiting a village located along the Maharashtra border. A private travel agency in Mysuru has offered free pickup and drop services for Corona warriors in Mysuru. The travel agency has announced that COPS ASHA workers can avail the service for travelling to and fro from Mysuru to other parts of the state. Senior citizens can also avail this benefit from the travel company. Forest Department officials managed to trap a leopard that had strayed into Hutri Durga near Tumakuru. The officials had set up a trap to capture the leopard, which had left the locals terrorized with its presence. A leopard cub which accidentally entered Mysuru was rescued by locals and then handed over to forest officials. Locals say street dogs which saw the leopard attacked it when the locals saw it and rescued the leopard.